Happy Sunday. What's up? What's going on? It's Sunday today, and we are. I'm gonna drop off the kids at my mom's. Yeah, it's like 20 minutes away. I think that is one of, if you wanna call it a blessing, is one of my best blessings in life. Having my mother close to me. Yeah, even moving is gonna be a problem. Even when we like talk about moving, we're always considering if we ever move, it can't be far. It cannot be far from either my mother-in-law or my mother, because yo guys, it takes a village to raise children. Yeah, so I'm gonna drop off the kids, and then from there I'm gonna go to Roots to buy the share. So I'm gonna do the weekly grocery shopping. So the reason why we're doing weekly grocery shopping is because in our area we do have power cuts, and like about katam class guys, so I know what's for my church, like for 5 days now. 5 days is nam class. The shebo diabola.
2 weeks, not 5 days.
2 weeks, the shebo diabola, you know. So I think I can waste. So that's why every week. Free jaga kam jaji kamo dulang shebo ko em sa ona sil. I wanna still
fish hela hela.
Yeah, only fish.
Hela nkareke motho.
Only fish that's it. Imagine. So that's why I regularly every week. And then also to try and save money somehow, because hey, guys. But as it is, I will simple save a challenge, because already such a really over budget now, and we still have another week. We have another week of this life. So and then we are going on a date. We are going on a date. So yeah, the date we are going to, I'm gonna record it. Record video yung week uploading for Nalian. Yes, so I think this video upload next week. Yeah, we shoot next week and then we upload next week. But it's too much today because there's some shots still getting nyaka movie video. Guys, laborer ke zama go bolela spade. A ke sena go bolela sekgowa nna. Ke bolela sekgowa too much, like ke bolela sekgowa kudu, e bile ke lebala le lemela gesho. A ke nyaka go lebala lemela gesho. So mo lo reng if I ke mmerekong, a ke tlo bolela sekgowa. I get to play last school. This guy was who directed traffic. Mara, I wanna regulate Haniking. Oh, so guys, next problem last spade. Next problem spade is harsh because I know that was it too much, man. Like he could, man. Hey, yeah. I can go to crack like because my man sitting tomorrow and I'm like, oh, that's the level of I never honor into it. Let's go. Guys, I never. Squad pays the bills, Mara. I keep let's go every day. I keep better house. You took me last speed. So, Galamora, like YouTube channel, Lihono, Lijajila, Santara. Lihono get Santara and get Ama Shabana, Kibashako Maka, Ekiboya. Kito go roots ko raka shebo saveki, and then if you raka shebo saveki kito bela go ntong nna le motho ka re a tswa ro shooter, and then video ya gona kito upload next week. So go pela le skela ba la go subscribe, le skela le ba la go comment guys, le tsena go di comment le ngwale message, maybe le mpiele heart, limpiele pelunyana e red, e green, e blue, whatever is your favorite color. To kupela hat. Kupela limpiele hat. And then lifeta mo kone le muna no mo dujiso. Le presse muna no again. So the more eventually Lydia ram holy commenta, Libya hati, Lydia shapu, video yaka by recommend by Chakoba Tumbaba or Libatoma Hono won. So by incha. I don't even know the word for recommend. By recommend for Batabang Lubana by Libel, because if Bataban by Liberty by commenting the Kura, it's good. So that's Kitty Kitola Gayo, Kitola Gasilena, but I think it's Jari, because I will not move YouTube or a Pesanto Berek or Ruhono, and then now get a dog Berekes, Lampona, or Jaberek, Kamolga, push. Marai Kilabra could do for Batwalo already banalin na, and then one follower like consistently, like every week I upload a level like I kileba kudu sham kileba kudu kamata ngabanda nikole buwa ngamanda oh nikole buwa ne you are gay
But guys, once I'm working, I'm famous.
When?
How am I gonna go to school?
Yeah, but
How am I gonna do sports? Mama, teacher, sign. Good on.
Okay. It'll get driving. No, sharp. Let's do a quick grocery haul. I went to Roots to get a few stuff. I was gonna shoot at the shop, but it was so packed. I was like, let me not. So I decided, okay, I'll opt for a grocery haul. So for 330, I got shebo for don't you get like for 330 the shebo J1 2 3 4 5 for the week. Already getting fish. Yeah, I think Kito incha fish one like ke whole like yo fish ya chusha guys. So I got fish spice, for fish, and then garagadi khata. You some other recipe khata, but it don't cost it don't tell me munch or mara. Yeah, maybe get a lot or khata, jakulu. And then little voroso. I just will voroso little enough now for another favor. Clearly, 8 rand. And then kakra stew ka 83 rand. I meant to take the other stew, but yeah, keep beef stew ye ka 83. Beef stew ya ko roots ibutsana guys yo ibutse. Sibutse stew sa ko roots. And then in garagale mince. I mean so level to kumnyani mara ko munchi. Garagale mince. Look at the meatballs, it's perfect, right? And then garagale minatana. Garagale minatana, maramutwaka ari. Minatana we enjoy in el malana, so utata marga malana before the minatana and then resort the minatana le malam. Yeah. Kitchen is directly today. Sasha Takalonia and Jim Malanyana Mara Isha Kitsibolo or Trofona now, the red car, she's got the from 1,000 kids here. She's got the rand. Marology children, so I after the one copy. So yeah, okay.
How much do you need?
Prepare. I need about 300.
Okay. I'll give you 300.
Okay. For 300. All right, guys. We're giving English about Jack. Oh, we're going to happy. And it's your mind.
So the fridge is not working properly.
Yes, it's not a camera. I never see it. Is it visible?
Not really.
Yo. It's her ice, man. So scary, damn. Hey, I'll choose, man.
What's scary about this?
Yo, hey guys. Yo.
We just need to stop opening the fridge, to be honest.
Yeah. Do you want to take this thing of yours out?
Yeah, take it out.
So, did you watch it, Jonah? Get it okay? Because the Jonah is going.
Yeah, actually, I'm gonna cook it tomorrow. So, whatever is not going to be cooked today, you can put it. You can go ahead and put it in there.
Okay. Please stop it there for me. Hi guys, Monday today, and we they've made the fish, but these people, they don't support my YouTube career. They didn't shoot any content showing how they prepared it, what's inside. So I actually do not know what is inside the fish. So I guess we'll see once they are done cooking it, once they are done drying it. But yo, as you can see, if you have this price stand at your house, you know then how big this fish is, because as you can see, there is no space. That's how big this fish is. Can't wait. I cannot wait. Let me go for my swimming lessons. When I come back, I'm sure they'll be done with it. So and then maybe I'll take videos of that, because they really don't support my YouTube career, these people. Shame.
I forgot. I was in the zone.
You were in the zone.
I was in the zone.
Was it nice, like preparing it?
Yeah, it took a while because I had to remove there's a big bone in the middle, like
Oh.
so I had to scrape and remove it. While I'm removing it, I also need to remove the bones, those sharp bones.
Oh, okay.
Let go.
So you removed them?
I removed majority of them.
Oh, so we're gonna replace them.
Yeah, even if we'll find just the one in the middle, and it will be just few.
All right.
Very few.
Let me prepare and then go, and then when I come back, I'm sure. If like would like so boy, please go link and content.
Okay.
Thanks.
Just take a knife and cut your foot. Naki nervous.
Naki nervous. What do you want to fish? Oh, that camera you got even to reach if I'm fishing. How fell our own? I'm going to receive a movie. Hey, Linda Foil can fail a moose.
It needed to close. Can you see the water was dripping already?
Yeah.
So it needed to be closed so that it's okay. Yo, it's cooked.
Yo. Close the foil, musu. Ooh. Guys, yeah, chosha yo.
Yeah, chusa. What's so scary about it?
Yeah, chusa.
Oh, it's so big, man. What a name? Yo. Wow. Yeah, you would treat it. It's cooked.
I'm glad it's cooked. I was worried about it being cooked. Hey, why is there a lot of water? I guess there was a lot of meat on it.
Okay. How did it break here to them? It's fine.
It's fish.
Hello. Okay guys, so it's low unbox more because it's pretty packaged. Like I need package from I don't think you mentioned already from where. So it's like a Pep Paxi. So you order the Bonnets, guys, I'm a piece. Anyway, he regularly Bonnets. He ordered the Bonnets, but he ordered Bonnets at her. But the Bonnets said 8. He ordered 3 now. I'm 8. So Kelum looked at the extras, and I decided no, I'm not gonna use all 8 Bonnets. You know, I can't use all 8 Bonnets, but I'm grateful honestly because it gives me opportunity to work from video. So just a disclaimer, keep the bonnet J2 and then in J6 kito fanaka and then in Mugel will a PR package. So don't for the bonnet and then you join kito share lane fanaka and it's not like a competition or anything, but you wanna support so for something and not be my class the Bonnets did extra. So so I really as some mamu jeng I really so kifa or okay if kid level the views tag if kid level the comments killing a little finger later until lunch you want go the commenting guys on the video because I've realized that the more a video has comments, the more it's gonna get suggested ko bathong ba bang. So re ntse di commenta, then ba recommend ko bathong ba bang. O lebele video ya ka ile ya kitchen reveal. That video ibile le views tse dintsi ka lebaka la gore ibile le di comment dintsi on the day that ke uploadileng ibile le di comments tse dintsi, and then ke gana ka mgo e odileng ka gona, like even other people that are not even from South Africa ba comment ba oh ke go kreile or they subscribe whatever. So e pushitse channel ya ka that video e video ke batho ba 480 something so far. I can only 400 subscribers, I understand. So yeah driver, and the more the video I recommend you about, maybe let's say you recommend you about 10, 1 out of those 10 would subscribe. So now play your role. So thank you fail, okay. But they are like the bonnets, quality of the bonnets ever fit, young fish, quality of the bonnets, ad. So pink is my favorite color. Obviously, I'm gonna keep this one. It was the first one. So it did the braids gets one hour. It's an arm nut. Even if you think you did the braids, because you have both a camera. So you're on a way both a camera. You're really cute. Into my something you're really cute. So get a really cute. Get bonnet. Yak. So I'm gonna keep this one. And then I'm also gonna keep this one. But guys, double ply bonnet. Yeah, from Mimi's Lounge. Mimi's Beauty Lounge. Kitchen. 1, 2 ply. Yo, I'm really impressed. I'm really telling this morning or I businessing right. Businessing right because lo do rekishang au diva to declare. Or actually jobs valere. Ke tseba batho ba tsama ba o reka di bonus go discount le go clicks mara yo ntshone be ikgega go le nna ke le ka reka se ke rekile go kae mara batsa the way be le bofifu ka ona wa za ka bile ya last so ke tlo fana ka tsone ke tlo no bitsa mabitso guys a so gore competition or anything, it's just ke manyina lo ke a gopola ge ke nagana di comments tsa mo video nyaka, and I think one le batho ba mo ba lo ke tlo ba fa 2 each, okay. So pale samlot which melo khasa mapula matlaila makosa na kuzayo guys. Motho ka a relena sentse ke mofe because le yena o lebela di video jaaka ke mo ke a comment ke a tseba go lebela mara a comment sentse commente are yena bile ke na the first person to view the videos sentse bile comment or first one to view, here to support the love of my life.
One for me.
I don't know, one for me, yes, see. What are you protecting? But you actually need one, yes. I think I'll give you one. Try this one.
Looking sleek.
Exactly. Try this one. No, try this one. The one that I wore. Try the ones that I'm keeping. Look at some more, guys. These are images that are just for me. And me more water in the mirror. Hey, but it's pink. But it doesn't matter.
It's for bed, I guess.
Yeah, it's for bed. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, because we're not so when I was so consistent, because he about everything. Aye. Oh, you okay? Yeah. All right. Kirule kutumana casa. I'm giving those people the bonnets, and then I think she's getting 2 because you're not commenting good reeling, like even on reels she's commenting. When I upload in she's commenting, and the other person not commenting business, but I never give fake because move. So yeah, kita decide. I still maybe I need to think about it or keep a man page, or maybe I need to do an analysis. But mapula matla like mfache page. It goes without saying. Kita mix it ayene vide. Mfache page. I think we will cancel and I can mfache too because, like guys, when I post on my socials, I say catch up if you're not caught up with the videos because like now I'm uploading. every 4 days, every 5 days, I'm uploading a new video. So you can imagine, I have a lot of videos that people haven't watched. You know, people that are supporting me, but they haven't really watched all the videos. But when Kasayana, she watches all the videos. So she goes all the way back, and she also comments. Like, comment about the video in December today, imagine. But she's catching up. You understand? She's catching up, and I can see it. I can see that she's catching up. So I think Lena can come for debate. Yeah, Lena can come with shit. And then, you wanna learn support. It doesn't mean I kill scale, okay? Please, I kill scale, but I'm just saying it's about me. It's not about you. It's about me, okay? But yeah, those are my people that get our family bonnets. Guys, please continue showing me support. I really appreciate it. Because there's a reason why I'm feeling the bonnets J8. What's what I never get a but she didn't tell me what to do with them. So now I've decided that I'm gonna give them away. Okay, so thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. I see all of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If it was possible, I would get 260 bonnets, and I'll give each and every one of you that are subscribed to my YouTube channel, including my man. Yeah, I think my man will keep one. I think you like that one? Because it's like a jureg. Eh? Eh? Yeah, because you wouldn't like it's a jureg. Yeah. Not bad. Okay, cool, guys. Thank you so much. I am actually closing this vlog. I'm closing this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment down below with a heart. Give me a red heart if you watched the video up to this far. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Goodbye. I know what